Hey y'all, it's ALLOFDESTINY, and in this video I'll be sharing with you all exactly how I did this birthday hairstyle.
That's just how I live. Money and pretty women, baddest bras in the city. That's all I'm here. That's just how I live.
Okay guys, starting off with freshly shampooed and conditioned hair. I put my leave-in in off camera. We're gonna keep this tape. Take 3, baby. Let's get it. So, Braid by Kids Blow Dry. Purchased a new one. If you follow me on Instagram, I think I told the backstory on that one. My mama shocked herself for something. I was scared to plug it up. We wasn't gonna mess with it again. So I went and got this one because I used to have this one and I absolutely love it. I love that red double layer pick that it comes with because it gets the hair nice and straight at the root when I was relaxed. But now that I'm natural, I need that extra oomph. Of course, we're gonna go in with the heat protector to make sure that when I wash my hair, my curls bounce back like elastic, okay? Now we're going to go ahead and blow dry. I'm using the highest setting for the heat and also the speed of the air. Using my sulfur 8, I'm just going to apply this all over my scalp, just taking random parted sections. I'm going to take some ORS humidity control as well. Make sure that my curls don't really puff back up. I want this nice and sleek, so we need it to last. I'm just going to seal all of that in with the blow dryer. I think I was kind of using a warm setting at that point. I got another straightening comb. I did have one of these, but when I moved, I kind of left a lot of my things back home for my little sister. Better to just go get my own again. Not ready yet. Okay.
Dance in the club right across from my school. I said dance now.
I'm going to use my straightening brush while I wait on that to heat up a little bit and just brush that through. If you're wondering if the straightening brush or just that extra pressing of the hair is necessary, here's a quick little before and after straightening brush for you all. Take a look at that. So we're going to repeat that on the opposite side. As far as pressing out the hair to make it nice and sleek for this style, you don't have to flat iron your entire head to do it. If you've had your hair flat ironed and you're ready to move to another style, definitely keep this one in mind for that because it's like 2 in 1.
You're getting ready, don't get jerked. Your tricks up your paperwork, you're somebody. You ain't better than the president, no, just from the president. Unless the nigga looking like Tupac.
Let's get this voiceover over with. Parted my hair ear to ear, or I didn't really. Part your hair ear to ear. It'd be easier to part it ear to ear and then section everything out. Pulling up the video. If I didn't mention it already, I followed Alyssa Forever. This hairstyle is inspired by YouTuber here, Alyssa Forever here. I followed her video basically. I just kept replaying it over and over and over and over until I finished my hair. So yeah, I'm taking the edge tamer. I use the EBIN New York 24-hour edge tamer because it's the best. You can get any top color that you would like, the black, the purple, the lime, any one of those. I recommend relaxed or natural because I was relaxed and used the same one and it still works now that I'm natural. So I'm just parting my hair out, making sure that my parts are nice and sleek and neat. So you want the edge tamer around the entire part on the left, on the right, and then you want to brush everything together, and we're going to secure that with the rubber band. Make sure that when you secure it, it's in the center of the triangle itself. It's not like right at the forehead and it's not at the back because you won't be able to see the cute little design. So I'm going to pick the rubber band back up, and then yeah, I'm doing this by myself. Improvise, sweetie. Hold it right there. Then we're going to twist this other one, really twist it so that it lays nice and flat into the other one, and we're going to combine them like so, looping the rubber band probably 2 more times. Y'all get real technical in the comment section. Just loop the rubber bands. I'm gonna say that on the front end. Parting off to the next triangle. With the triangles, these don't have to be perfect at all. Just give them your own little flavor, girl. Just kind of part them out. You can go all the way across if you would like. Do that. Maybe next time I do this, I will go all the way across. But like I said, I was following Alyssa's video, and since the ponytail is going to hang over the other side, we didn't really need the little accent piece over there. Using my brush to smooth everything along again, securing it again with the rubber band, but I wanted to continue to show all of the triangles because yeah, I would want someone to show me. So hey, I'm gonna show all the triangles. Hold and twist and twist and twist. Secure it with the other one, and that locks it in place, and it gives you this cute little twisty, connecty thingamajiggy job, if you will. Play too much. One more section just so that mine don't stop in the center of my head, or my parting, I guess. So I'm using my edge control now to make sure that I kind of lay everything down. I find it easier to lay the edges and slick the hair back also. That way if I leave out any pieces, it's easier to slick the hair back and then put the rubber band on Whoa, oh baby, I almost dropped my camera on my birthday. Ooh, oh dear. Twisting that one again, and we're securing it into this one. Now we're done with that, and we're going to start working on the ponytail section. Oh, no we're not. Gotta twist this one into the very last one. Detangling that, putting the rubber band on, and now we're done with our triangular sections. Done. Okay, so taking some more of the same EBIN New York 24-hour edge tamer, because we're going up with the high ponytail. We need it nice and slick. This is the LOTTA Body Shine Mist that I'm also applying so that my hairstyle does not look dull. Clipping some of the hair out of the way. I'm bumping my nails and everything. Taking that straightening brush again and brushing that through. Oh, I'm also using some more of the Pump It Up. These are the same products over and over that I'm picking up. Just know, in case y'all like, what is she using now? These are the same 3 things I'm constantly picking up over and over. Hair hack, by the way, because I know like a lot of naturals, y'all be like, oh, heat, I can't touch a single thing of heat. So what you can do to get your hair nice and slick, when my mom did it, she parted out maybe about 2 inches in the back, and she kind of pressed out only that section. The rest of my hair was only blow dried, but once you brush this back over it, it makes it look as if you sleeked out the entire thing. My little method was different. I just kind of wanted to blow dry, then brush it through with the straightening brush, use my edge tamer and all of that to do mine. So you got those 2 options, but you don't have to press out your entire head. Keep that in mind. Improvise. So this is the hair that I'm using. Bring it back, run it back. I'll just put it on the screen and it'll be in my description box. I chose to go with the 2 instead of 1B, which is what I use when I do feed-in braids, because I felt for the ponytail, I think the 2, for whatever reason, it blends a little bit with my hair. And I didn't want it to look like, oh, she just put a ponytail right there. We know it's not my hair, but we still want it to look as realistic as possible, sweetheart. Taking some of those same products, working that into the braiding hair, and I'm going to brush out my ponytail a little bit more. And the piece that we have left in the front, because I know y'all like, what we do with it? You're going to twist that around after you've put the ponytail on, because that hides your scrunchie. Oh wow. Or thinking about it again now that I'm done with the hairstyle, if you want to work that into the ponytail, you have that option as well, because you can just take a piece of your hair or the braiding hair and do this same thing. It's just preference. Taking a hairpin to secure that, and I'm going to begin to shape the braiding hair over my own hair. I feel like you can wear that style, by the way, if you're only going to wear this for 1 day only, because the hair only costs $6, so it'll probably tangle if you wear it too long. Either way, the hardest part about this to me was sectioning out this long, thick hair into 3 parts and being sure to keep my hair tucked underneath, which is why I was using that Pump It Up, because you want to hide it. You don't want your pieces of hair sticking out, especially if you don't want to flat iron it super straight. You just want to kind of tuck and hide and braid. So at this point, I'm using 2 of those pieces. If you all remember seeing the braiding hair just now, it was 3 packs in there, or 3 little bundles in there. That was too thick. Too much hair. I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna take out one of these bundles real quick. I'm just going to use the other little bundle instead of trying to separate out the other hair, which eventually I'm still going to end up using that one again. But I wanted to leave all of this in to show you all that I didn't really just sit down and do my hair in 10 minutes flat. So yeah, I'm just hiding the hair again the same way, and then I'm just going to begin braiding it. I think I was going to try to see what the twist was going to look like, but I also again wanted to keep that in just in case someone was curious of what it would look like, and to again, like I said, show you all just the process of me doing my hair. Just so you guys know that you have options with styles like this one. I would put the rubber band on it and actually wear this one as a bun instead. I think that looks cuter than leaving it down in the twist, because it just kept getting thicker and thicker. I'm going to take some of these little hair accessories. I purchased these at my local beauty supply store. They're usually at the front counter, so you can probably find them there. And that just helps to hide the rubber bands and also give this hairstyle lots of flavor, girl. I think the plait will look better, guys. I probably should have took half a pack of the other hair, because I tried to put 2 packs in, because that's what Alyssa did. But she had different hair from me, so I think I just don't need that much.
If she had that skimpy hair, you're gonna need a lot.
One right here. Can't get my sections together. Okay, put that under there. One here. Oh, this for me putting. Trying to make sure they even pre-shaded. It's gonna be pro-shaded. Come on, her. Gotta work out this time, man. Man, get out! I need to watch ATL. Man, get out.
I'm the you got it off, what's that?
Oh, one of my subscribers gave me that. I wasn't supposed to open it till my birthday. Somebody had sent something to my P.O. box for Dominique, so I thought that was it. And I was like, here go your mail. And when she opened it, she was like, nah, this is for you. And I was like, oh, snaps. Let me finish opening it then. And then, voila. Yeah, this
look way better than that.
This look better than that twist. That twist wasn't it, girl. That twist was not it.
That joint was doing, whoa.
Whoa. This pump it up gonna hold this for me, y'all. Pump it up. Pump it up.
Do your thing, let me do my thing. Who sung that?
I don't know. I'm gonna look it up. Pump it up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. My cousin said she do not got time for me right now. Oh, I wouldn't have been able to separate my hair without you pudding.
Yes, you would.
I was struggling. You should saw how many times I did this.
But you was trying to do the twist at first.
Yeah, that twist wasn't it. Well, I tried to do the braid at first, but it was too thick. This perfect, the perfect amount of hair. I want that junk to be longer though. I wonder how I could feed some more hair in.
You got some more hair?
I have to do it how I feed in like the braid. Yeah, so that junk can come down some, so I can be extra bougie, extra like birthday, swinging it. This the intro to my life, entry to my world. This is our original one right here. I'm going to take this one and to make it longer, swing it like this to where it's like that, right? So shift the position of where your hands are. That way as you get to the bottom, it'll fade and also be a little skinnier, and put that with this. Now you got a longer piece that makes sense. And then we got to just put the scrunchie, what we do with it. Okay, put the rubber band in. Back on it, just like it was originally. And voila. Alrighty. Yeah, I'll talk to the camera. I'm done talking to them now. Alright, back to hyperlapse. Leaving in other footage again, of course, because I want to make sure you all know that you all have options at home. I was trying to twist it again with that longer option, but then I was like, nah. So I went back to the braid again, but I didn't want to bore you out with me braiding it again. So I'm going to feed that piece of hair in the same way, just to extend the length of my braid. I really can't even explain this. How about I just link some of my feed in braid videos down below, but you just kind of add that hair in. We're going to braid it all the way down to the bottom. That's pretty much it for this hairstyle. I did dip the ends. I wish that I wouldn't have. Something about dipping it kind of messed it up a little bit, so just kind of leave it like this and put some more of that pump it up on there. If you dip it, don't go all the way up to the thickness of your braid. Just dip the super skinny part of this hairstyle. If you all haven't checked out my 28th birthday celebration vlog, definitely check that one out as well. Let me know if you all want me to recreate the makeup look and show you all the full outfit as well. I didn't want to cram everything into one video. Questions and comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching. If you all go ahead and click on the card, it'll take you all straight to my birthday vlog. And click on my cute little face to subscribe to my channel as well.
Pop it like a rubber band, and we just having fun, girl. I can't be your man. And that's just how I'm living. Money and pretty women.